Okay guys, for this removal we'll use an automatic and manual approach where we'll delete the software plaguing your device and fix Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge and Opera browsers. For further information you can check the link in the description below. Okay, so let us first begin with automatic removal. For it we're gonna use a specific anti-malware tool which you can find in the link in the description of this video. Simply go ahead and click on that link, and then you'll be taken to a download page where you can save the anti-malware software. This is a professional software that once ran, it will automatically scan your device. All you have to do is select your language of the installation and then follow the installation steps, agree with the privacy policies, and then hit accept and install. After the installation has finished, this software should begin scanning your device automatically. After this scan has begun, it will look in your Windows to detect all of the malicious files and objects. As you can see here, it has detected a lot of different malware and even a Trojan horse. Simply to remove the threads, hit next button and then select all of the objects, after which this software will automatically clean up your computer, close any browsers so that the software can also fix up your web browsers as well. And that's it. This is the automatic option which is strongly recommended with the help of Spy Hunter, which in this case you can see here it has removed a lot of malware from this infected device. And this is for the automatic removal. For the manual removal, we will start with the web browser Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and then navigate to the top right corner where it says extensions. Then choose the extension that you find suspicious and then remove it. Then go ahead to the address bar and then type Chrome Settings Clear Browser Data. This should open the Clear Browser Data menu. Here, go to Advanced, select All Time, untick Password so you won't lose any of your access to your accounts, and then delete it. And that's it. Basically, you've just cleaned up Chrome. The next web browser that we will discuss is Mozilla Firefox. Simply open the browser, just like Google Chrome, navigate to the top right, locate a suspicious extension, click on the gear icon and click Remove Extension. Then go to the address bar and type About /support. Here you will see a button that says Refresh Firefox. Go ahead and click on that button and then click Refresh Firefox. This will refresh all of your settings on the Firefox and restore it back to normal. Basically, you have now cleaned up Mozilla Firefox. As you can see, it says success. The next web browser that we will discuss is Edge. To clean up Edge, simply open it, go to the top right hand corner of your screen, click on Extensions, and locate the suspicious extension, click on the three dots and click Remove. Simply remove it. After that, go to your address bar and type Edge Settings Clear Browser Data. This will open the Clear Browser Data menu, just like Google Chrome. You have to select All Time and then select everything besides passwords, so you can store your passwords still. Then click on Clear Now and you should be all set. And that's it. You have cleaned up Edge browser completely. Now for Opera browser, we're gonna go ahead and open the web browser. After which, go to the top right hand corner of your screen, click on the Extensions tab, locate the suspicious extension, click on the three dots and click Remove Extension. Just like with Google Chrome, go over to the settings by typing Opera Settings and locate Privacy and Security. After you open it, click on Delete Browsing Data and you can see here you can go to the Advanced tab, click on All Time, and tick everything except password and other signing data, and then click on Delete. You have now successfully cleaned up all of your web browsers. And that just about sums it up for the video, guys. Thank you for watching us. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Comment anything. We will try to respond as soon as we can. Thank you.